Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered who ensures buildings, equipment, and systems stay energy efficient and properly insulated? Thermal insulation engineers play a vital role in the construction and engineering industries, working to reduce energy loss and improve environmental efficiency. In this video, we'll explore how to become a thermal insulation engineer, the skills you need, the work environment, and the career opportunities available. To start a career as a thermal insulation engineer, there are no formal entry requirements. However, one of the most common routes is through a Level 2 or Level 3 thermal insulation apprenticeship program, which is supported by the Thermal Insulation Contractors Association, TICA. This apprenticeship includes both on-the-job training with experienced professionals and off-the-job instruction at college. Before joining an apprenticeship, you'll need to pass an entry test that assesses your ability to work at heights and a medical screening to ensure you're physically fit for the role. During the apprenticeship, you'll work towards an NVQ, SVQ Level 2 or 3 in thermal insulation and complete additional courses such as a Level 2 or 3 technical certificate in thermal insulation and an employment rights and responsibilities course. Once employed, you can enhance your qualifications by completing short training courses offered by the Asbestos Control and Abatement Division, ACAD, of TICA. These are particularly valuable if your work involves exposure to asbestos. To work on construction sites, you'll need a Construction Skills Certification Scheme, CSCS, card and a CCNSG Safety Passport. These certifications demonstrate your health and safety training and competency to work on site. If you lack formal qualifications, schemes like the On-Site Assessment Workshop or Experienced Worker Practical Assessment can help you gain the necessary credentials. As a thermal insulation engineer, your primary responsibility is to prevent heat loss or maintain temperatures by installing insulation on various systems and equipment. These can include boilers, pipework, refrigeration units, and air conditioning systems. The type of insulation material you use, such as silicate or foam, will depend on the project's requirements. Your tasks will involve measuring, cutting, and shaping insulating materials to fit around pipes, ductwork, and other equipment. Once the insulation is in place, you'll cover it with sheet metal or other cladding materials for added protection and durability. You'll also work closely with clients to assess their needs and provide tailored advice to address their insulation challenges. To excel in this role, you'll need a combination of practical skills and physical fitness. You should be comfortable using tools and machinery, enjoy hands-on tasks like cutting and fitting materials, and have a strong understanding of health and safety regulations. Attention to detail is essential, as precise measurements and cuts are key to effective insulation. Mathematical skills are useful for calculating measurements and material quantities. The work is physically demanding, requiring you to lift heavy materials, balance on scaffolding, and work in confined spaces or at heights. Being able to follow instructions closely and having a safety-conscious approach are crucial to managing the risks involved. Teamwork is another important aspect, as you'll often collaborate with professionals from construction and engineering backgrounds. Strong communication skills will help you work effectively with others and understand client requirements. Thermal insulation engineers work in diverse environments. You may find yourself indoors or outdoors, on construction sites, in industrial plants, or within buildings. Conditions can be challenging, with exposure to dust, dirt, and potentially hazardous substances. Wearing protective clothing, including goggles, gloves, and face masks, is essential to maintain safety. The work can involve travel across the country to visit different sites and projects. While you'll typically work a standard 38-hour week, overtime, evening, and weekend shifts may be required to meet deadlines or accommodate client needs. The demand for thermal insulation engineers is growing, thanks to an increased focus on energy efficiency and environmental conservation. After completing your training and gaining experience, you can explore roles in construction, building services engineering, or energy conservation companies. You may also transition into related fields such as heating and ventilation engineering or refrigeration. Within larger organizations, there are opportunities to progress into technical, supervisory, or managerial roles. These could include positions like site safety officer or contracts manager. With significant experience, you could even set up your own business or take on consultancy or training roles. The flexibility of this career also opens doors to opportunities abroad. Earnings in this profession vary based on experience and qualifications. Apprentices typically earn between £10,000 and £16,000 annually, depending on their stage of training. Once qualified, salaries increase to between £20,000 and £24,000. Senior thermal insulation engineers can earn up to £40,000, with additional allowances for working away from home. Those who take on contract work or manage their own businesses have the potential to earn even more, depending on their workload and location. If you're interested in pursuing a career as a thermal insulation engineer, here are some excellent resources to help you get started and advance in the industry. Construction Industry Training Board, CITB, supports the construction industry with training, funding, and resources to develop the skills of workers. Their website offers information on apprenticeships, certifications, and industry news tailored to those in construction, including thermal insulation. Thermal Insulation Contractors Association, TICA, specializes in training and qualifications for the thermal insulation sector. From apprenticeship programs to advanced courses, they provide essential support to help you build a successful career. Construction Skills Certification Scheme, CSCS, ensures that workers in the construction industry meet health and safety standards. Holding a CSCS card demonstrates your competence and allows you to work on construction sites across the UK. You can find the links to these organizations listed in the video description below. Be sure to check them out for more information, resources, and support to help you kickstart or advance your career as a thermal insulation officer. Don't forget to explore the opportunities they offer, from training and certifications to networking and career advice. Thank you for watching Career Chronicles. We hope this video has inspired and informed you about thermal insulation engineer role. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others discover their dream careers too. See you in the next video.